Hi, it's 𝗧𝗿𝗀𝗺𝗺 here. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Cambio extraction plates. First, remove the screws. Make sure the face is all clean from debris. Same with the extraction plate. Place extraction plates, tighten screws, finger tight. Start extracting with the central screw. Halfway through, check if the dowel pins are still in place. To do this, remove the extraction plate. Okay. All okay. Put the extraction plate back on. Continue removing the captor flange. Once captor flange is removed, clean with a clean cloth and also the captor face. Remove the extraction plate. Rotate 180 degrees. Locate on the dowel pins, ensuring that the position is not lost. Press down. Screw in 4 screws. Tighten to the required torque. Now you have successfully turned from a left-handed tool to a right-handed tool.